Northwestern New Jersey. Southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey. Northwestern Webster County. Southwestern Somerset County. Southeastern Randolph County, eastern Pennsylvania. Northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. North Central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania. South Central Mecklenburg County in eastern Pennsylvania. 51 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lebanon to near Birdsboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Manville, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Byram, Souderton, Bedminster, Hellertown, Birdsboro, Flemington, Fleetwood, Chalfont, Sinking Spring, Tinicum, and Laurelgale. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 298. Northeast extension between mile markers 32 and 53. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 60 and 71. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 27.
Time about 15 seconds.
Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Protecting yourself
10,
from immediate threats to
9,
life and safety shall take
8,
priority.
7,
Whenever possible,
6,
as long as it does
5,
not cause greater
4,
harm, all
3,
COVID-19 protective
2,
action guidance
1,
should be followed.
0.
For your protection,
wait.
move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Holly's
building.
not on drugs anymore.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drop.
Up there it goes. Just 2 minute time limit. Drug addicts.
The current